A China Day event was held in the Polish city of Wrocław Saturday, attracting a large number of Chinese culture fans. The event, jointly held by the Confucius Institute at the University of Wrocław and the university's Botanical Garden, kicked off with a Tai Chi performance. Yu Ming Jia, a Chinese PhD student at the Academy of Music in Krakow, performed the Guzheng repertoires, which won bursts of applause. The event also includes Chinese cultural exhibitions that showcase tasty Chinese food, Chinese tea art and Peking opera mask making.
我们今天有一个机会了解中国文化的非常有意思的方面。我们已经参加太极，我们觉得太极很有意思，让我们轻松一下。
So I'm a second-year student of sinology, and I think Chinese culture is very interesting. I have get to know it more and more, and I really like it because it's very complicated but also really simple. Connection with nature and human is very beautiful, and I think it's just it's very meaningful, and that makes me want to learn more.